Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Unisoph. Unisoph. Flea and bed bug trap. It's a light emitted diode, flea light trap with 4 modes and 10 catching stickers. That's for indoor and for outdoor use. It's a pest control device, non-toxic. It's a flea catching lamp, natural insect traps, so you can perform here really good against the pest. We have here an evident trap too comprehensive the pest protection. This flea trap used advanced technology and uses Pest's phototaxis and thermal taxis to attract and trap the fleas, mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, and other pests. Strong adhesive cars effectively prevent these pests from escaping, and it's the ideal for placing in areas where pets are around. Efficiently captures all types of pests, which are not so nice for us. We have high quality materials. That means here it comes with safe and healthy. To ensure our safety and health during the use, the fleet light trap is made of high quality ABS and PC materials, which have no harmful smell and do not release harmful substances. Elderlies, children, and even pets can use it without hesitation. We get a safe and reliable solution for insect trapping. And multiple modes. That means we can personalize the pest control. The unique designed 4-level mode of the flea trap uses purple light to attract and kill flies and mosquitoes, while the warm light catches fleas, flying insects, and various other pests. We can catch cockroaches, ants, and bed bugs even without turning on the light. We can choose the right mode according to our requirements, and thus provides a personalized pest control experience. And we have here a convenient operation. This ensures efficient catching. The flea traps for home are very easy to use. We simply place the trap horizontally on a flat surface where the pests are active. Or we hang it with a lanyard in the place where the mosquitoes needs to be trapped and make sure that this is not the case, block its light. And it's USB charging. That means all day long, indoor and outdoor protection. This design has a built-in 500 mAh battery that can be charged with USB. That means we can charge it on an AC adapter or a smartphone. We can reload it on our laptop or a personal computer. We can reload it on a power bank or something else. We simply place the trap, and then, of course, it should be reloaded and by USB. So we don't have to worry about power problems. This making it easier to use indoor and, of course, outdoor by using a power bank. The battery life is up to 25 up to 30 hours. This makes it portable, pest control, candidates. That gives us a 24/7 protection if we like. And here it comes, the multi-mode catch design. We have 4-level mode, attractive insects and easily catches the fleas, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and the bed bugs. Healthy and safe materials with good materials and a long battery life with 500 mAh. 25 up to 30 hours of pest control is possible. So you see, you get all what you need. A flea catcher, 10 stickers, and a USB cable. And then you can start immediately to control your pest at home or indoor or outdoor, as you like. That it is the Unisoph flea and bed bugs trap. It's a pest controller, an LED pest controller with 4 modes and 10 of the catching stickers for indoor and for outdoor use. It's the pest control, non-toxic, really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.